Welcome to the JMT.
People, I greet you now and welcome now once again to this our news channel. Make una do it to always dey follow us, like, share, and comment for every of our video where they bring come your way. Now here we dey bring them as we dey see them. Now so we dey talk am. On today news, angry Nigerian youths don't come outside for FCT to protest concerning bad road. They don't talk, say they don't tire. Say this road they ask. The minister don't fit to enter and he never try to do anything. Say when rainy season come, now they go suffer and pass. They talk about the road things, but the minister never still do anything concerning her. Make una hear wetin these protesters get to talk.
The greatest Kutubu youth, of the greatest and the greatest Kutubu youth. Today we are here out here to express our grievances on how the government and the local government and the state have neglected us. We as the common Nigerians have come out to express our grievances because this has become an habit. We send letters to them, they don't respond. We go to them physically, they don't respond. But they fail to understand that when the people take over the street, the oppressors will run away. They fail to understand that the law stating it very clearly that the welfare of the citizens should be taken care of. And right now our welfare has been sabotaged. True of us. Our welfare has been sabotaged. True of us. Look at the cottage hospital in Jeremiah Oseni. It has been here for 20 years. It's not working. Look at Jeremiah Oseni Road. It is not working. The market road is just a mess. Abattoir is just a shithole. And we are reminding you that we have sent you letters before. And we are expecting your answer because the next time we'll be coming. We will not be coming as a forerunner, we will not be coming to remind you. We'll be going to shut down the castle. After we shut down the castle, we'll go and meet Wike and shut down his office. After we meet Wike to shut down his office, we will go to the presidency and shut down the villa.
In Gwagwalada, I can tell you today that Kutubu Road is neglected. Market Road is the most neglected road in the Federal Capital Territory. It has one of the best markets that everybody in Gwagwalada Area Council can go and shop. But I can tell you today that if you go to Gwagwalada Area Council, come to the market, you want to enter the front gate of the market. Even if you are driving, honestly, if it is rainy season, you will not drive in peacefully. Why I say you will not drive in peacefully is that your car will experience wear and tear. In Gwagwalada, we are now subjected to repairing our cars almost every month. Even if you are a salary earner and you stay in, if you are a salary earner and you pass Gwagwalada Market Road 4 times a month, I bet you in rainy season you will need to go and repair your car.
DJ